What up, guys? Today I'm gonna show you the vacuum robot cleaner from TCL. It's the Sweeva 1000 model, the cheap one. That's how it looks. Let's see what's in the box. What do we have in here? We got a couple of things. Well, first of all, we're gonna have the robot vacuum cleaner, that's for sure. That's what we're supposed to have right here. Okay, so that's how the set looks. That's what's inside the box. Of course, we got the manual. Oh, and we got the razor blade over here. That's probably the razor blade for cleaning. That's how it looks. And standard manual for everyone. What else do we have in here? Of course, we have the robot vacuum white version. This is the budget robot vacuum cleaner. This thing costs around 100 bucks. Actually, it costs less than 100 bucks as of now, right now. So that's the thing, how it looks. I'm gonna show you later on how it works, but this is how it looks. It weighs a couple of kilos, but let's leave it on for later. So what do we have else over here? We got the side brushes, and we have 4 of them, as I can see over here. Yeah, we got 4 of the side brushes. Of course, we have also the charging base. Very light. That's how it looks. We got over here, we can take it around the cable so it doesn't just go on the sides. So that's the charging base. Also, we do have over here additional filter. We have the remote control. Yeah, so we can just use it remotely. And we have also 2 batteries, AAA batteries included. So that's the good thing. And of course we have also the power adapter, and that's the whole set. So later on I'm gonna show you how the thing works. So keep in touch. Peace.